auxiliaries. That is primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. So primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. Now look at primary auxiliaries. That is, you know, to be verb. To be verb, that is am, is, are, was, were. Am, is, are, was, were. And be, been, been. So that is to be verb. To have verb. To have verb. That is have, has, and had. That is have, has, had, having. Having. To do verbs. To do verbs. That is do, does, did, do, does, did. So, to be verb, to have verb, and to do verbs are the primary auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries, those are. So, look at here. Those primary auxiliaries also used as principal verb. Those are the primary auxiliaries, but sometimes they are used as principal verb. Look at the examples. If I say, I am a teacher. So am, that is primary auxiliaries, isn't it? But here it is principal verb because the verb am is used independently. And if I say, I am teaching you. I am teaching you. Look at here. The verb am, it helps the principal verb teaching. So here am, it is primary auxiliaries. So it is used here as auxiliaries verb. So if I say that is you have a doll. So have here principal verb because it is used here independently and there is no other verbs. But if I say you have done the work. You have done the work. So have here used as auxiliary verbs and it is principal verb. It helps the verb done. So if I say do it. So do, it is used as principal verb. If I say do not go there. Do not go there. So do, it is used here auxiliary verbs and go here principal verb. So it helps the principal verb go. So look at here. When those auxiliaries verb used independently and there will be, you will not find any other verbs, then they will call principal verb. That is, they are here principal verb, am here principal verb, have here principal verb and do here principal verb. But when they will help another verbs and then they will be, must be helping verbs. That is auxiliary verbs. Okay. Now we will see modal auxiliaries. Okay, again I am telling that is to be verb, that is am, is, are, was, were, be, been, being. To have verb, that is have, has, had, having. To do verb, that is do, does, even did. All are primary auxiliaries. So you will just find out those if in sentences, you will find out those in sentences with the other principal verbs, then those you will find out as auxiliary verbs. Okay. If they were used in a sentence alone or independently, then they will be must principal verb. Okay. Now we see modal auxiliaries. Okay, modal auxiliaries, that is can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, need, dare, etc. are used as modal auxiliaries. Okay, usually we use these modal auxiliaries to ask question, to request, to show possibility, to take permission, to prayer, or to show necessity. For this, we use usually modal auxiliaries. Now we'll see the example of modal auxiliaries. Now we'll read some sentences of modal auxiliaries. Look at, will you come to my house? So will, I use here will modal auxiliaries to make a question. So we'll just read will as a auxiliary verb and come here principal verb. So look at, shall I do the work? I use the modal auxiliary shall to make a question. So shall I do the work? So shall, it is modal auxiliaries. We'll just write auxiliary verb and do principal verb. Look at, would you open the window? That is I request. I use the modal auxiliaries would to make a request. That is, would you open the window? Or could you give me your pen? So I request here by using the modal auxiliaries could. Okay. Now look at he. So here would auxiliary verbs and open principal verb. Could auxiliary verbs, you just write down auxiliary and give principal verb. Look at he may come today. I use the modal auxiliaries may to show the possibility. That is, he may come today or it may rain today. So I use the modal auxiliaries to make possibility. So may, and here may auxiliary verb and come principal verb. May auxiliary verb and rain principal verb. Okay, may I come in? So may I come in? Here I use this may to take a permission. That is, may I come in? I want the permission. So using the auxiliary verb, modal auxiliary verbs may. So may you live long. I use here may, modal auxiliaries, to make a prayer. Prayer. You need not do it. Here I use that is need, necessity. That is, you do not need to do it. Need, modal auxiliary. So you just write down auxiliary verb and do principal verb. Okay. That's, look at one thing is most important in these sentences, that is after the modal auxiliaries verb, the main verb, look at the main verb come. After shall, look at the main verb do. Would, look at the main verb open. Could, look at the main verb give. And come and rain, and here come, live and do. Look at all their main verbs are in the base form. Base means after the modal auxiliaries verb, after these auxiliary verbs, main verb will be present form. Or we can tell base form. Present form, that is what? No ing. Look at, there is no ing or no ed. There is in these verbs, we will not, that is present form. In this present form, we will not add any ing or ed. That is most important. You have to remember this. You have to just write down the simple verb, the present verb. That is base verb. Okay. Thank you, students. You have to read those, that is as auxiliary verb, modal auxiliaries and primary auxiliaries. And principal verb, you know the principal verb. Okay. I hope that will be helpful for you. And now we'll see what are there in our books. Let's see the books. Look at open page 45. Verb. Okay, you have to read the definition. Here the definition is, you have to read the definition of verb. Okay, you do not need to read the kinds. Just you will write down, we will read principal verb and auxiliary verb. So here are some examples of principal verb. You will just read those examples. And auxiliary verbs. Look at, you have to read the auxiliary verbs of examples. And here that is auxiliary verbs, that is to be verb, that is am, is, are, was, were, being, been. To have verbs, have, has, had, and having. To do verbs, do, does, did. Look at beside that, that is modal auxiliaries. Shall, will, should, would, can, could, may, might, must, ought to, dare, used to are used as auxiliary verb, that is ought or use are also used as auxiliary verb. Okay, so you have to just read those example of auxiliary verbs and principal verb. Now look at here, your task kit, you have the 4 and the 5, that is from these sentences you have to find out just verb. From these sentences you have to just find out verb. You will do it in HW copy. You will do it in your HW copy. That is exercise 4 and exercise 5. That is from these sentences you have find out principal and auxiliary verb. You have to find out principal and auxiliary verbs. Okay. Thank you students up to this. Stay in happiness.